For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Because of the consistent turn of events and promotion of the thoughts of the digital currency local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and calculated arrangements that could further develop client communication with crypto. One of these activities is the Cosmos organization, and its inward advanced coin Atom Cosmos is an environment comprised of blockchains that can collaborate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was segregated and couldn't meet with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Moreover, it was hard to accomplish high exchange speed. Notwithstanding, Cosmos offers another innovative vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains fill in as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint agreement made by Jae Kwon in 2014. Universe makes an environment of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the collaboration objectives. Versatility, Byzantine fault tolerance, proof-of-stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. In a couple of words, Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) is a property of a framework fit for enduring a class of disappointments emerging from the problems of Byzantine generals. This implies that the BFT framework can keep on working, regardless of whether a portion of the hubs are down or acting malevolently. Versatility is a fundamental component of any undertaking pointed toward supporting future application improvement. Universe will probably expand its adaptability utilizing other different viable organizations associated through zones. These zones work in lined up with increment exchange throughput. Each zone has its register, arrangement convention, and essential language. The pose strategy depends on a bunch of semi-confided in hubs for casting a ballot by blocks. However long in excess of a fourth of the democratic hubs tell the truth, the convention will work with practically no issues. Agreement hubs need to give a portion of Atom tokens as guarantee. Any hub that observes that it is acting with pernicious purpose will be erased from the framework and its atoms will be scorched. Validators, running on cross-chain spans, are synchronized with the focal Cosmos hub. Notwithstanding, they likewise send off a full hub on the inverse blockchain on the opposite side of the extension to affirm that the relating sum has been fixed. Unique tokens are obstructed in a situation with a few marks until the scaffold confirmation device opens them. Appropriately, it obliterates the tokens in the cross-chain. This approach permits clients to move advanced resources in various chains. Particle is a local digital money used to pay exchange charges at the Cosmos principal focus and partake in the agreement cycle. Universe price analysis. Universe is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee communication between them. The organization works on the Tendermint agreement calculation, and the engineers position it as an web of blockchains. On August 18, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Cosmos designers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Coordination of SIFchain, a decentralized trade DEX on Cosmos organization, with the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) convention, permitted to manage exchanges among Cosmos and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The greatest level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. August 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Atom cost will be exchanged at $11.14 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cosmos worth to $11.84. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $10.75 in August 2022. Particle price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have dissected Cosmos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $11.58. The least and pinnacle atom rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the atom cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the Cosmos cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. Molecule price forecast for November 2022. Having broke down Cosmos costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, in any case, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the determined normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto examiners expect that in December 2022, the atom cost could vary somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Cosmos will be around $18.42. The greatest expected atom cost might be around $21.08. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $18.93 in 2023. Universe price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Cosmos, in 2024, Atom is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $26.03 and $32.11, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $26.98. Universe price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have examined the costs of Cosmos and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base atom cost could drop to $38.62, while its greatest can reach $45.87. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $39.97.